Hello and welcome to MyArtCube. Today I'd like to take a moment to compare the color range offered by the 3 Lightwish or Kuelox oil pastel sets you see here. The 3 sets offered by Lightwish on Amazon include the Classic Color set, the Macaroon set, and the Morandi color set. Okay. So there are approximately 144 different colors here in the total brand range. I just wanted to cover all 3 sets in case it might help folks choose a particular set for themselves. Let's go ahead and examine the oil pastels themselves. Now, you can see the Macaroon set on my right has a lighter and slightly softer value of colors. And let me show you that a little bit closer. So these are all fairly light value and very bright light colors. So those are beautiful. That's the Macaroon set. Meanwhile, the Classic set has bold, vibrant colors, and you can see that here. So we're looking at the Classic color set for the Kuelox or Lightwish brand, and the colors are just popping out at you, right? Okay. And then we can also take a look at the Morandi set. Now the Morandi set has both light and dark values in more muted hues, but the swatch sheets make this difference between the sets very clear. All sets are composed of a beautiful range of colors, and I personally find it difficult to choose just one. However, if I had to choose just one set, I would go with the Classic color set here on my left. And the reasoning for that is because I really prefer highly saturated colors. Of course, the color set you prefer really depends on the style and subject matter that you would be kind of painting with the oil pastels. So it's really based off your preference. And let's just take a look at the color swatches real quick. So this is the Classic color swatch set. See? Classic. It's in the upper left. It's written in really small print, so we can't see it very well. But you can see these are vibrant colors that just sort of pop off the page. Then we have the Macaroon set, which is this one. And this is, again, the Kuelox or Lightwish set. And the Macaroon or Macaroon set is mostly light values. The Morandi set here is a more earthy, muted set. So you get a lot of variety with all 3 sets, and I think all 3 sets have their place and purpose depending on your subject and what you want to kind of cover. I just like the idea that all 3 sets are reasonably affordable, I believe. I believe they're about $29 and change at the time of this recording. So each one is about $30. So 144 oil pastels is about $90. So I think that's reasonable. It is a lot, I know, but just starting with one set would work. And if you did choose one set, maybe starting with the Classic set, or if you do landscapes, maybe the Morandi set, or if you're doing a lot of bright and light colors, like you like pastels a lot, maybe the Macaroon set is for you. Just depends. You don't have to have all 3. Each set has its own merits, and I believe the Morandi set and the Classic set can kind of stand alone. The Macaroon set does lack a lot of the dark colors that you would hope for, but it's, again, the Macaroon set, so it's meant to be light values. It does have a few dark colors in there, like a dark red and a dark purple and a fairly decent dark blue, but that's about it. So it just depends on your application. So So I hope this answered some of your questions if you're looking to purchase a Lightwish set. Please stick around if you're interested in seeing the time-lapse demonstration utilizing the various colors from all 144 Lightwish range. Today's demonstration will be another Claude Monet master study. I'll be taking inspiration from Monet's Water-Lilies, the oil painting that he did between the years of 1897 and 1898. Now granted, Claude Monet did a lot of water lily paintings, but this particular one was completed in the year 1897 to 1898 approximately. And so you'll see that in the demonstration later. And I hope you have a great day. I'll see you at the end. Bye for now. thank you for visiting me in my little corner of YouTube. If you are interested in more oil pastel reviews and demonstrations, I will link the oil pastel playlist at the end of the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and join the MyArtCube community. I appreciate your thoughts, so please share down in the comment section. And until next time, stay creative, my friends. Bye.